Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how I tie my tie. I've been wearing a tie since I'm 16 years old, guys, so believe me, I've tried so many different ways and I know how difficult and confusing it might be for some of us to find the perfect way or easiest way to wear your tie. So this method I'm going to show you is really easy and fast. So guys, this method that I'll show you is called the winter tie. It's really the convenient and most easiest way I found, and it is how I tie my tie. It's very convenient, guys. You can wear it to go to a wedding, you can wear it to go to a party, you can go to a date with your lady, and even to work. It's really convenient, guys. In the next video, guys, I'm going to also talk about how to choose your tie. You know, there are some criteria and some details you need to look when you need to buy a tie. So I'm going to talk about it in the next video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, guys, and hit the little bell to receive each notification for every brand new video we post on this channel.
ça que j'ai dit entre faire.
Mm.